Birdie Bird? Hey? How's Birdie Bird? Hey? He's good? Bird Bird? Hey? What? Okay. Bird Bird. Hey, how's Bird Bird? Huh? Bird Bird? Hello, Roo.
She's not talking to you.
What? Oh. All right. Mama gonna have to come and get you because I don't want you to bite me. Huh?
I don't think she'll bite you. She doesn't look like she's got bite face.
I know. Well, who is it? Was it Floyd? Whenever I saw the yeah.
The puffed up cheek feathers.
Yeah. When they're coming in front of the mouth, they're okay. Right?
Yeah.
All right. Now what are you doing? Okay.
Here.
You're making me nervous.
Here.
Hey?
Mom will cut. Oh, what a good girl. Did you talk to Dad? Did you say hi to Dad? What did he say? Did you tell him you were waiting for your Santa to come? Huh? Yeah. Hi, Roo. Hey, let's go look at the mirror. See what you... That's okay. Okay, we won't look at the mirror. We won't look at the mirror. That crown is just the biggest crown in town, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Look how big it is. It's like giant. It's like she had crown implants.
Someone, yes, girlies, I know you got. Well, hello. That's okay. You don't want to be jealous, do you? Okay, come on, pretty girl. Yeah, that's a good girl.
Yeah. Right. You just lunge at us like we're better than you. What are you, Coco? You're hassling Duncan? Are you okay with Dad holding Kiwi? You're scared of Kiwi, aren't you? Huh? Hello? Hello? Let's see what Cookie's doing. And what are you doing? No one treats you any good, eh? When the other ones are out, you're not spoiled at all. Let's see what Cookie's doing. He wants us to talk to him. Cookie? Cookie? Do you want to talk to us? Hi, Cookie. How are you? What are you doing up there? What are you doing up there? Hi. Hi, Cookie. Good boy. Good boy.
This is the life of Boba Bobo. This is the life of Boba Bobo. This is the life of Boba Bobo. Oh, here